Okay, so this is a really great product. This is the DenTek Professional Fit Dental Guard. So I use this every night because I tend to grind my teeth. And so this includes the dental guard, a fitting tray, and then a storage case. 30-day money-back guarantee, which is awesome. 6-month protection guarantee. It has directions on, you actually fit it to your teeth. And you need to replace it, I'd say about every 6 months, depending on how much you use it or how much you grind at night. But it's a lot cheaper than the ones that you have to get from the dentist's office. So this is what it looks like. And then you'll put it in hot water and form it to your teeth. So you put this in here, follow the instructions, and then you just bite down and you get a really accurate fit for your own teeth. So definitely I recommend it. Like I said, I grind my teeth pretty bad at night. And this has helped a ton. I don't wake up anymore with, the soreness from grinding my teeth. I don't have the headaches anymore. BPA free, which is awesome. Made in the USA, which is awesome. So yeah, the DenTek Professional Fit Dental Guard.